Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, why do birds always fly in that perfect V formation? Each flap creates an upward air current, and the bird behind catches this lift, saving huge amounts of energy. The lead bird does the hardest work, breaking the air resistance. And when it gets tired, another takes the lead. This formation lets them travel thousands of miles without burning out, moving in perfect harmony. So next time you see that flying formation in the sky, remember, it's not just beautiful, it is brilliant teamwork.